So hello, welcome to this channel, and today we are going to start BitMasks questions on CodeForces. So basically, these are the easy questions basically, but when you start competitive programming, you should know the basics. You have to clear all these things. That's why I am starting these things, and you can see here these questions are 800 level, so this is very easy, but we have to make concepts. That's why I'm starting from here. So let's open first question and see what it says. It's taking too much time. Okay. So it says a Latin square of 3 by 3 grid made up of letter ABC such that in a row letter ABC each appear once and in each column ABC each appear once. For example, one possible Latin square is shown and below. So you can see here ABC it's appear once in a particular row and a particular column. You can see. And you are given a Latin square, but one of the letter was replaced with the question mark, and find the letter that was replaced. Okay, so basically they give something like that, and here one character is missing, so we have to find which character is missing here, as you can see. So how we can solve it with uh, bit mask? So let's whiteboard, open it and see how we can solve it. So uh, I hope you are aware with XOR operation, right? So XOR operation says if the two same thing is if we do XOR with same thing, then it will be 0, and if we do XOR with different thing, then it will be 1, right? So if we take 2 XOR 2, so what will happen? That will be 0. Obviously, when you write the binary of 2, this is 1 0 and this is 1 0, and you will do XOR same on same, it will be 0. This is same 0. So basically 0. So here we will use the same concept of this. If the same thing, then if we do XOR with the same thing, then it will result will be 0. Otherwise, it will be 1. So let's understand what we will do here. We have uh, matrix like this. Let's say B, C, A, and let's say C, A, and B. Done. So these are the complete matrix. Here there is no missing character. Okay. So you can say A is appeared 3 times here, B is appeared 3 times, and C is appeared 3 times. Okay. And let's say I am storing the XOR value of something, let's say anything, let's say T, and I'm storing something like A XOR B XOR C. I'm storing these things somewhere. Okay. So now what we will do, we know that when we perform operation on same thing, when we perform operation on same thing, then it will be 0. Otherwise it will be 1. Okay. So what we will do, we traverse entire matrix, but in our matrix one character is missing. So we will not take that character. We only take the present character. Okay. So when we are doing take first time we will take A, then XOR, then we will take B, then XOR we will take C, XOR we will take again and the second call row B, then This will be a C, then it will be A, then again we will take XOR of it will be C, then again take it will be A, and then it will be something like B, right? So like that. So here we can see something. This A and this A will be 0. Okay. So just remove this. This B and this B will be 0 because we are performing XOR operation. Okay. And this C and this C will be 0. Okay. Now remaining character is A, B, C. And when we perform this remaining characters XOR operation to this T. So when we perform this, then here one C is here, one C is here, one A is here, one is here, one B is here, one B is here. So automatically it will be 0. Okay. If suppose one of the character is missing in the matrix, let's say B is missing, right? And then B will perform XOR operation with it. What will happen? C will be 0, B will present here, and A will be 0. So B have rest, B will get B. B will uh, still there in a T. Okay, so this concept we can use and solve this. Okay, so let's solve. They give only 3 by 3 matrix, so we have to take and yeah, and always ABC is present. Always ABC. Okay, which character is one of A, B, or C? So what we will do? We will create a matrix of characters. Let's say mat of 3 by 3, right? And we will take input. So we can use for loop int I is equals to 0, I is lesser than 3, and I plus plus. Again, int j is equals to 0, j is lesser than 3, and j plus plus. This is j basically. And now we will just see in mat of I and mat of j. So what we will do? We will store here. We can what we are doing. We are taking the XOR, right? So I think there is no need of taking matrix. We will take input and all the character we will together do XOR. Okay. So what we will do here? Let's say we have integer variable t, and here we are storing something like and okay, basically a. So you know the ASCII character, ASCII value of A, it's 65, and ASCII character will be 66 and C 67, right? So what we will do, we will write 65 XOR 66 XOR 67, right? And and instead of going to taking input, we will take input. Yeah, we will take input, but we are not going to store in matrix. Let's say here character ch, and we have taken input. Then next thing what we will do, we just perform XOR operation with t. So we will say t is equals to t XOR that character, and after that we get a string. We have a that character, right? So we will print see out that t, but before it we have to make it in form of character, right? So there is no need of matrix. Yeah. So just run and see Is there test cases are there? Okay. So don't worry, we will include it. Okay. And one more thing we have skipped, that question mark, right? Mm, because we have taken question mark. So what we will do? We will check if, yeah, here we can check if character is not is equals to that question mark, then we will going to take, right? So let's run again and then we will check it is giving correct output or not. Yeah, it is giving A. So we can see here. So just include test cases here. It will be, so what we will do, we will take something like N and see in N, while N minus minus, we put all these things. Now let's run, and now we can run all test cases at once, right? So it is giving A, B, C, and you can see here the answer is A, B, C. So let's submit it. Let's see. Yeah, it is accepted. No, no, it was actually, I thought previous submission. No, no, no. Yeah, no, not quite latent square. Yeah, okay, it is accepted. It is accepted. So this is the solution. In next video, we will solve the next question. For a time being, go and solve this question yourself.